This 2022 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 7 LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, TV, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, skylight, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins i6 diesel pusher engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.